Let's now transition from the cuff to knitting the leg. Now we will need to do some decreasing here. Our cuff is made wider than the leg, so it nicely folds over and doesn't squish the sock. That means we need to decrease in order to have fewer stitches for the leg and make that nice fold over. Another thing we need to do is to have a stockinette stitch transition. So this pattern will stop and stockinette stitch will begin. And we continue working on 2 needles. Remember, at the end of the previous video, I told you to knit 14 rows in this stitch pattern. Now we are ready to take off some stitches. We have 48. We need to decrease by 8 stitches. If you divide 48 by 8, you're going to get 6. So that means we will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Decrease 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Decrease 2. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Decrease 3. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Decrease 4. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Decrease 5. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Decrease 6. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Then that's decreasing 6 stitches. Then on our way back, when we purl, we're going to take 2 more out by decreasing in the beginning and the end. So let's begin. All knit stitches. 1 slip, now 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th one you're going to knit together, but I have knit and purl next to each other, so I will slip, slip and flip, put it back and knit together. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, knit together 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now I need 18 to be knit together, so I slip and put it back on. This is my 3rd decrease. I have 1, 2. This is my 3rd decrease. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now I want to have the 2 togethers going this way. So I will slip and put them back in the reverse order. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now 30, knit 2 together, but remember in that reverse order. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, decrease by 1, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Now I'm going to purl. At the beginning and the end of the purl row, I will decrease. Slip 1, purl 2 together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 30, now 38, 3 left, purl 2 together for 39, and the last one is 40. We worked 2 rows already, and we decreased down to 40 stitches. We are now right here. We are going to work stockinette stitch until it is time for this shaping here. How many rows is that? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 36 rows in all. We've done 2 of 36. Stockinette stitch, knit 1 row, purl the next and alternate. Always slip the first stitch of the row to keep making a nice flat edge, which will be easy to sew at the end without making a bulky seam. This is row 3, which is knit. So you can remember for yourself, every odd row will be knit, every even row will be purl. This is row 3, now I turn, purl row 4, slip the first stitch, and then purl to the end for row 4. Turn your work, Slip the first stitch and knit to the end for row 5. Turn, slip the first stitch and purl to the end of row 6. We have 30 more rows to work in stockinette stitch. Knit one side, purl the other side. This is where we are in our project right now. You're going to continue working down. When you have worked 36 rows of stockinette stitch, you will be right here at this point. Then go to the next video and we will start on the shaping.